Welcome back to Stuff Around the House. My name is Ryan, and today we are going to make hand sanitizer. This is the item that, due to the coronavirus scare, has everybody buying hand sanitizer, and you can't hardly find it in a store. Or you could go online and pay some $25 to $40 for an 8 to 12 ounce container. By the way, don't do that. That's horrible. I don't know who's buying them, and people really are buying them, but don't do it. This contains very few ingredients. It's super easy to make, and you're going to find that you can make it in less than about 10 minutes. There's even a good chance you have everything in your house that you need. First thing, 91% alcohol. Don't get 80%, don't get 70%, 91%. That's where you want to be. The reason for that is that the entire mixture needs to have at least 80% alcohol, or it's not going to kill the germs. Aloe vera gel, a couple of containers to put it in. Essential oil, this one is tangerine, so yeah, I'm pretty cool today. A 1/4 and 1 cup measuring cups, a funnel, and a container that we're going to mix it in. We're going to start with the aloe vera gel, and I found the easiest way to do this is to put the measuring cup inside the container and just squeeze it until you have 1/4 of a cup. It's not a big deal if you go a little bit under 1/4 of a cup, but we have to make sure that we have at least 80% alcohol. We're just going to very carefully get this out. Yeah, very carefully. Now we're going to move on to our rubbing alcohol. Don't bother trying to squeeze it out of that little lid. It's terrible. Just pour it into your 1 cup. What that does is it gives us 4 parts of alcohol. It gives us 1 part of the aloe vera, making just under 80% for alcohol, because remember, we're working with 91% alcohol, not 100% alcohol. So to make up for that, we're going to just throw in another 1/8 to 1/4 cup, and that will get you to 80%. Now let's talk about essential oils. Don't buy the $20 bottle of essential oils. Not for this. You know, if you're looking for some aromatherapy things and stuff like that, I'm sure there's great reasons for it. But while I say don't buy the $20 bottle, I also don't want you to go buy the 99-cent bottle from Dollar Tree. I don't even know if Dollar Tree has it, but if they do, don't buy your essential oil at Dollar Tree. This came from Whole Foods. We'll get a little picture of it there. And I believe it was $5.99. Now, you're going to get tons and tons of bottles of hand sanitizer out of this 1 bottle of essence. It serves no other purpose than to have a different scent than just pure alcohol. Now, I tried this with, 15 drops, and I didn't think it had enough of a tangerine scent. I tried it with 20 drops, and it didn't seem to do it. So I've settled on 25 drops. Remember, it's easy to put more in. It's hard to take it out. So start wherever you want, but then just add more as you go until you get to the scent that you like. So I'm going to do very messy 25 drops out of here. There's 1, 2, and 3. That was probably 4, so that makes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and I think that was 26. Yeah, that was a very non-technical way of doing it because I'm just measuring it based on how many plops in the solution I see. But again, this doesn't matter. We just want to make sure that we're over 80% on alcohol, and we've achieved that. So we're going to put on our lid, and you do have to shake this for a few minutes. I did not have a lot of luck by just stirring it. When I stirred it, it didn't really seem to be breaking down the aloe vera gel with the alcohol so that it mixed evenly. So I'm going to shake this for about 2 minutes. I'm not going to force you to watch this horribly boring part where I shake it, so we'll come back in a couple of minutes after I've got it all shaken up. So I've shaken that for 2 or 3 minutes and gotten it very well incorporated. We're going to take our bottles. This will be the fun part. This is where I get to spill it all over my stove, but at least I'll have a very disinfected stove. This will be our funnel. I've actually stolen that from my garage and washed it very well. And I know you're not going to, oh hey, I overfilled it. Yeah, well, you know, it happens. Great, okay. And there is enough to at least fill this 1 or 2 more times. So you can get about 4 containers out of that recipe. And that's if you're in the 4 and 6 ounce range on your containers. All right, that is it. It's that simple, and you have a very effective hand sanitizer. But now let's talk just for a moment about how to use the hand sanitizer, because people are doing it wrong. They will take it and spray it on their hand and stove, and they'll go like that a couple times, and their hands are still wet, and they're like, yay, I've cleaned my hands, it's okay. Well, you really haven't. It's important to take that hand sanitizer, spray it on your hands kind of liberally, and then make sure that you keep rubbing your hands together until they feel dry and smooth. That's what it takes to actually work it in and kill those germs that we're trying to kill. I hope that you guys really like this video, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more, but this is where I need your help. I need to have you take a moment and hit that like and subscribe button on your screen. It really helps me, and I can bring you more of these videos where I klutz around on my stove and spill things on the stove, and very imperfect, but we make really practical items that you can use around your house. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.